Hi guys. Today I will explain how to add colors in text using Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, and once it will be open, you will see the same interface like mine. The next thing you have to do is you have to tap on this option, create a new video to get access to the timeline of Clipchamp. The next thing is, if you want to add text on your video, then import that by clicking on the option import. Or if you want to add on a photo, then click on it and import it, just like I will add the text on my video. So that's why I'll click on this option and will import my video. Now here you can see my video has been imported. Now I will take my mouse cursor on the video and I will click on this plus icon, so it will be added in my timeline. The last thing is add text. So for adding text, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. You will see the option of text to just click on it. And now here, select the font and click on the option plus. And here, you can see the text has been added. Now adjust the duration to where you want to show this text. Once you do, take your timeline here, and on the top you can see the text has been added. Now double click on it, and here you can see color, click on it. And here choose a specific color. And if you have a code of your color, then click on it and paste the code. Once you will paste the code, that color will be changed. But I don't have, so I select a random color from here. As you can see, the text color has been changed. Now adjust the position and also the scale. And it was the way by which you can add color in your text using Clipchamp.